This is how we can close multiple apps at once on an iPhone. So a lot of people just go to the multitasking panel like this and they just keep on swiping up like this on their apps. But not many people realize that you can actually perform it and like close multiple apps at once, right? So you can just grab the window in here, another one in there, and then you just swipe up everything with the same swipe, right? So again, you just grab it like this, the first, the third, and you just go like this. And this makes it a lot quicker, if I'm being honest, right? Because you don't have to just swipe it up manually one by one, and you can even go with the three of them like this, right? And that's how you can close it. Outside of that, we can also go to the settings, and the general section contains background app refresh, which is like a way to make sure that nothing else is really running in the background, and in here you control what can be. So you can turn it off completely, meaning that even though you might have some windows in a multitasking panel, nothing is allowed to be open in the background. But that's going to be about it. Subscribe right now so you never miss anything important, and I'll see you later.